Hi everyone, I'm Kelly Dakota and this is the April Starter Kit. April 2018, this is everything you're going to get when you sign up for a Posh Starter Kit this month. You can do that at poshwithkelly.com, but if you want to know what's in it first, let's check it out. So there's a special bonus this month. You're going to get these 3 special products that were in our summer line from last year to get yourself ready to go for this spring-summer season. If it is still chilly where you live and you're not quite into spring yet, it's still okay because you might be working out more or you just might want some nice summery scents in your life. This is the Suns Out Funds Out Gel to Water Moisturizer for your face. It is super lightweight. It has this cooling feeling. It is a great moisturizer. This is the Stay Cool Summer Chunk. This is like everybody's favorite chunk. Everybody loves this chunk. It smells so good. It's great for guys and girls. It's got this minty cedarwood scent to it, so fresh and clean, and it's got this menthol in it that cools your body down. So when you are hot and sweaty and been in the sun all day, this thing is what you want to wash off with. After a day at the beach or even just after a hot workout, this is the chunk you want in your life. I am so glad it's back. This is called Catch Me If You Tan. It's a body balm. It's a mix of coconut oil and cocoa butter and lots of other great natural ingredients. And it's so nice on your skin after you've been out in the sun. Just super moisturizing, and it has a really great beachy, fruity coconut scent. So those 3 products are a special bonus for April. It's a $49 value, and these are thrown into the kit. Everything else that you normally get in the starter kit, you're getting another $49 worth of products absolutely free. And it all comes in this cute plastic waterproof pouch. Now in your regular starter kit, you're going to get 3 cute pink pouches, each with different products for you. We call these your products for you. You get a bag for your samples, and then you get a bigger bag full of products in these awesome pink nylon pouches. Here's a heads up. If you sell all of the products that come in the products for my business pouch, you will get your kit money back. If you add up the cost of all of these products, it's around $115. The starter kit is $99. It's a no-brainer. So in the Pampering Products for You pouch, you will get a Feel Better Soon chunk. This is a lavender scented chunk. Lavender is so great to calm yourself down. It has oats and lavender in it, which is very calming and soothing for your skin as well. You'll also get the Show and Gel Hydrating Body Gel. This is from our spring line. And this is super cooling on your skin, has a fresh, clean, springtime scent. It's great for guys and girls. Speaking of guys, we've got the Hunk Chunk here, also a nice, fresh, clean scent. I like to use this one as well. It's just a nice, clean scent. But you could also just save this or get your man on board. If you're a female watching and wanting to join, you're not sure what your husband or your boyfriend's gonna say, entice them with this chunk and this body scrub, the Love the Dark body scrub. This stuff smells like sexy man. It does. It smells like men's cologne. It's so, so yummy, and it's super great for your skin. It's got honey and charcoal and different types of sea salts. Oh, I love that fresh sea breeze scent. You also get this big fat yummy hand cream, Social Butterfly. You get a purifier skin stick, tea tree oil in there, eucalyptus. It's great for itchy, rashy skin, bug bites. You're definitely gonna want one of those as it warms up this spring. And you get a fizzy bath bomb. Lavender bath bomb goes nice with your chunk. I kind of jumped ahead. So in the Pampering for Me bag, you get the purifier stick, this hand cream, this fizzy, you get the Feel Better Soon, the Show and Gel, and you also get the Ritual face mask. Yours probably won't come in a box, it'll probably be in a tube like this, but that is a consultant-only detoxing face mask. Now in the products for my business bag, you're going to get the Hunk Chunk, the Love the Dark scrub. You'll also get 2 more skin sticks, healer stick. Everyone needs a healer stick in their life. And a Sleepy Sleep lavender stick. You're going to get Ain't That the Youth anti-aging hand cream. It lightens age spots, it plumps fine lines, it's fragrance free, it's amazing. You'll get 2 more skincare products, everyone's favorite face wash, the BFF Minty Exfoliating Face Wash, and one of our spring masks, 24 carats. This is detoxing, it's moisturizing, it's everything you need all in one mask. If money is the only thing holding you back, you can go ahead and pre-sell these products right here because they will be coming in your kit. You sell these, you tell your friends about them, you get people to order them, you get the cash in hand, and then you will have money to purchase your whole kit. You also get another cute bag full of samples. You're going to get 5 samples of Ain't That the Youth hand cream. You're going to get 5 samples of Sassiuma hand cream. Everybody falls in love with this scent. They're all gonna wanna order it from you. You'll also get 5 samples of Gel Yes face moisturizer and 5 samples of the Pineapple Pick Me Up mask. These two would go great together. Mask, then moisturize. You're going to get $50 worth of Posh business tools to get your business started from the get-go. You're going to get access to Team Posh, our private Facebook group, full of tons of training. You get access to my team Facebook group, full of tons of training. And if you choose me as your sponsor, I will make sure that you get this business off the ground right away and turn it into whatever you want it to be. If you just want it to be a hobby, that is great. If you want to really make some money at this, I can show you how to do that as well. I promoted to Silver Premier, the 3rd highest level in the company within my first year. As a Posh consultant, you also get cash back on your future orders. You also get all the hostess rewards, perks, half-price products, all of that when people order through your personal shopping link. You can earn money on your friends' orders, you can earn cash bonuses, you can earn free products. It is so much fun being a Posh consultant. If you love the products, there is really no risk. You buy this box of products for $99 and you can do whatever you want with it. I would love to answer any questions you have. I wouldn't have signed up for this if there was a catch. There is no catch. I truly signed up to get the discount, but I turned it into a business that supports my family, and it has been amazing. I've made so many new friends. I've traveled. I just cannot say enough about Posh. If you have questions for me, send me an email. My email is poshwkelly@gmail.com, or head over to my website, poshwithkelly.com, and click on join and you can read some more. If you're watching this later in the future and it is not April 2018 anymore, but you want to learn more about the current starter kit, send me a message as well and I'd be happy to let you know what's up. If you'd like more Posh info in the future, please subscribe to my channel. If you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much and I hope you have a great day.